Hello. Oh, hell no. No, because no, now I know who you are. I was wondering who you was, but have you seen your lives on TikTok, I think? Yeah, you can give me a head nod. Yeah, okay, y'all. I know who you are. I was wondering why we had mutuals. Dang, I never stayed on your lives that long enough to know, like, this is dead as it. Oh, I don't even know what to do with myself. I can't read lips. I'm so sorry. Pee myself? Um, it looked like you in the bathroom. You could do that. My mama turned the toilet off. And you may be thinking, like, you could turn the toilet off? Yeah. But I got three bathrooms, so it's cool. How many you got? Eight? Boy! Oh no. I don't even like how does this shit go? Like, cause I know you've been doing this for a while too. You don't get bored. I got ADHD, so I just gotta run my mouth. Like, you see, I'm still having a conversation with you. You're not even talking to me. Are your glasses prescription? I can't see either. My hair, yeah, my hair is 30 inches of 615. No replay. You got a lot of tattoos. I want to get tatted. I only have one. It's Aries on my ass. And so you keep commenting on my shit, but you ain't requesting. Like, you just disappeared on me. Where you going? I've been trying to read. How he leave? I didn't even see. Y'all, I did not know who he was